Good morning, world. Just out here enjoying God's peace this morning, out on the water. Boy, it is a beautiful world. Gotta love it whenever Mother Nature calms down and there's no wind and the water looks like a mirror and God has the sky painted. Take a look at that right there. Isn't that beautiful? If you said that ain't beautiful, you know you're lying. You know you are. God loves you. I love you. Wake up. It's Monday morning, people. Get out there. Get at it. Have a great week. It's gonna be a good one, folks. Peace.